Welcome to Cloud Application Development with Azure. My name's Stephen Borg.
And my name's Colin Dembowski.
Quick introductions. I'm the co-founder and strategist at Northwest Cadence and have a deep and abiding passion for Azure. There's just really neat things we can do with Azure, and I'm looking forward to sharing some of those in this course.
And my name's Colin Dembowski. I'm a DevOpsologist at Northwest Cadence, been working with ALM and doing ALM consulting for a number of years, and I'm also really excited about Azure and the offerings in Azure just because they enable so much really neat technology and capabilities in modern software development.
We're going to cover a bunch of technical topics in this, and I'm calling them technical topics because we're going to be grouping these in some natural groupings like the app service and the container type things. So we'll be walking through those sorts of larger structure, but here are the technical topics we will be covering. And I wanted to make sure we called these out individually because we're going to be working with everything from the app service all the way through to how to do DevOps. And in between, we're going to be talking things like Azure Search and content delivery networks, as well as Service Fabric and storage. A lot of really interesting things in store. Now, you might be asking yourself, what are the prerequisites for this course? You should have a minimal experience delivering software. You should know a little bit of code. You should have fired up some kind of code, but this is not a heavy coding course. You're not going to have to know a lot of code. You're not going to have to know a lot of how-to things. We'll be walking you through step by step what you need to know. And I think the next prerequisite is probably the most important, and that's enthusiasm, kind of a desire to dive in. This is a course with some serious breadth. We're talking DevOps on Azure. We're going to be going through PaaS, Platform as a Service, how to deliver it, how to maintain it, how to keep it up to date, all these amazing things. And having that little bit of enthusiasm will help really drive home some of the cool stuff we'll be talking about today. Colin, you ready to get started?
Let's get started, Steve.